Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be PR unboxing. It looks like you enjoy watching videos like this. I enjoy watching videos like this. And yeah guys, I just wanted to show you everything which I received currently from different brands. And yes, by the way, before starting, let's chit chat a little bit. I just wanted to share with you my favorite YouTubers or beauty gurus I love watching. I love watching Kaylee, I love watching Rachel Loves, I love watching Desi, I love watching Patrick Star, I love watching Nikki tutorials, and yes, I love watching Laura, I love watching Many MUA, I love watching Jeffree Star, I love watching Shannon XO, I love watching there is so many guys. Okay guys, let me know who is your favorite. Sorry if I forget to mention anyone, but I watch almost all the beauty gurus, and I love watching chloemorello. And by the way, talking about chloemorello, let's start with the first PR package, which is from Pixi. This is a collaboration with Pixi. Pixi launched a collaboration with 3 different influencers. One of them is chloemorello, and they launched this beautiful palette, which is including 3 blushes, eyeshadows, and highlighters. Also, you can use this as eyebrow powder or eyeshadow. Also, you can use this as an eyeshadow. The blushes are not matte, they are beautiful satin finish, which I like, especially if you have dry skin, you are going to like them. Today I'm wearing the highlighter. As you can see, it's pretty good. I'm wearing this shade right here, and yeah, I think this palette is pretty good, especially if you're going to travel. And this is very easy to use. You can find so many products in one palette. And yeah, congratulations on this collaboration with Pixi. And yeah, I like Chloe, and congratulations, I like it. The next collaboration is with weylie. I'm not sure if I'm spelling the name right. They created eyeshadow palette. The shades are very useful. Everyone needs shades like this, and the palette is including 6 shades, 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. You can create so many amazing looks with this eyeshadow palette. Also, they launched this eyeliner, which is tip eyeliner on the one side, and usual eyeliner on this side. You can see, it's like cream eyeliner. I tried the cream eyeliner, and it's pretty good. It's smudge proof, which is very good. The next collaboration is with Dulce Candy, and they created this lipstick palette, which is very pretty. There is 9 shades, and I see there is matte and shimmery shades. I think if you are traveling again, this palette will be very good to take with you because you have so many shades. This is a pretty cute palette. I still didn't try this, but it looks pretty cute. Also, they created with Dulce Candy this eyeshadow palette. I used these eyeshadows today on my eyelids. I hope you can see. I used the shades on my eyelids today, and they look pretty good. They're very buttery, and there is not so much fallout, and they look very amazing on the eyelids. I just put it all over my eyelids today, and also on my lower lash line, and this is amazing. Amazing. This eyeshadow is my favorite. Also, I used these 2 shades a few days ago as my highlighter, and they looked pretty good. But on my eyelids today, I used this, and it looks amazing. I like it. Also, they launched this gloss with chloemorello, which is amazing. I'm wearing this today on top of my lipstick. I'm wearing this every day. It smells amazing. It feels amazing. It's clear lip gloss with glitter, which looks amazing, and I love it. Okay guys, the next PR package is from Almay, and I received so many products from them. They sent me so many eyeshadows. You can see like this too, this, which is my favorite. Like, look at these colors. They look amazing. I can't wait to create like so many like makeup looks with these eyeshadows. Also, I like this and this. These are my favorites. Also, they sent me eyeliner, which is a liquid eyeliner, as you can see. They sent me 3 lipsticks. They sent me these 3 lipsticks. You can see. This color. They look pretty good. They look like they will be like something like tinted lip balm. I'm not sure, but this is how they look. If you're going to do like natural makeup tutorial, if you're going to wear natural makeup, I think these lipsticks will be just perfect for natural makeup looks. And this one, you can see. But most excited I'm about these 2 highlighters. The one side is a liquid highlighter like this, and this side is a stick highlighter, and I'm so excited to try these products, and I hope they will look amazing because I love stick and cream highlighters. They're just perfect. They're just like amazing for creating natural makeup tutorials or just for everyday. I'm excited for these 2 products. Thank you, Almay, for sending me these products. Thank you. Okay, next I received a PR package from number 7. This is a skincare product. They're like eye masks for your under eyes, and they look like this. These are like eye patches for your under eyes. They're like very moisturizing, and yes, thank you. Also, number 7 sent me this lipstick in the shade Berry Blush. You can see it's very beautiful, like light brown, mauvey, beautiful shade, and this is very comfortable and very creamy and really moisturizing. I was wearing this few weeks ago in one of my videos. I like it, and thank you. Okay guys, I received this micellar water from the brand Skyn Iceland. This is one of the most luxurious and amazing skincare brands with good ingredients, and they are very amazing. This is the first product I'm using from this brand. This is amazing. This is $25, but this is the most like moisturizing micellar water I've used ever. I like this micellar water because this is a little bit different from the all other like micellar waters I used. Right now I'm using also the Loreal one, which is pretty good. If you can't afford this one, which is $25, you can afford the Loreal one, but this one leaves my skin very moisturized. You already know guys, I have eczema and it works amazing with my eczema. My skin feels amazing. Their products are very like gentle and like recommended for sensitive skin, and their products are very amazing guys. I highly recommend this product, and because this works like amazing with my skin. It removes my makeup very fast, which is amazing. And yes guys, I like this product. Thank you for sending me this product. This is amazing, and yes, thank you. Okay, also I received 2 products from Becca. Their bronzer, which looks like this. You can see. This is amazing if you have dry skin or if you just like glowy bronzers, but this is not leaving your skin like very glowy or very shiny. This is like satin finish bronzer. and I really enjoy this product, and yeah, thank you. Also, they sent me their foundation. This shade is a little bit light for me, but in general the foundation is amazing. It's not matte, but it's full coverage. It's leaving your skin like beautiful. It's like beautiful satin finish foundation, which looks amazing. Also, I love that this foundation comes with pump, and the packaging looks so beautiful and luxurious. And yes, I like this foundation, and yes, thank you. And yes guys, these were all the products sent to me from this brand. Let me know in the comments if you want me to continue making these videos, because I really love watching videos like this, and it looks like you really enjoy these types of videos. So yeah, I'll be continue making them for you if you want, because I really want to share with you everything I've got in PR. And yeah, I really like some of these products. Some of them are okay, some of them are amazing, but mostly all these products are pretty good. There is so much new products, guys. Probably I'm going to do like full face of first impressions for the next video. I wanna try for you guys, and yeah, let's find out if they're good or not. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you, see you next time, bye.